This is how to replace the battery for a linear chain transmitter. This is the Linear ACT31B. The battery that you need to use is the CR2016. I'll put the links in the description below. You take any coin, you find your transmitter, and you put it in the slot. Once you put it in the slot, you just turn the coin and it pops the casing right open. Inside, you'll find your little circuit board and two batteries. They're stacked on top of each other, the 2016 CR2016 batteries. And as you can see, the words are pointing away from the actual board itself, so it's not towards the board. And you're going to take your two new batteries and you're going to put them in the same orientation. Slide your two batteries underneath that contact point, and then you need to reattach the casing. When you reattach the casing, you're going to feel a click, so click on each side. And once you feel that click, you're good to go. The device should be working again, and that's how you replace the batteries. I'll leave the links in the description below.